Hey guys, so today we have this. You'll have to pardon my voice. I've been fighting a cold since before Christmas, which ended up turning into bronchitis, and so now I'm on antibiotics, and the video I wanted to release this week I've had to put on hold, and so I'm doing this one for an early release this weekend. Anyway, all we're going to be doing with this actually runs perfectly fine. We're going to be getting it ready for winter. Now I should have done this a while ago, but what we're going to do, we're going to open up the gas tank. We're going to get 2-cycle oil and we're going to pour it in. Then we're actually going to prime the system so it pulls the oil all the way through into the carb. And what this will do is it'll protect the carburetor from any of the ethanol that may have been in the fuel and keep it lubricated. That way it doesn't dry out. So let's pump it through. It is a little stiff because the oil is thick, but it will go all the way through, provided I have it over the fuel filter. And there we go. Perfect. And that's it. If you want, you can pour the excess back in, especially if you have other 2-stroke equipment that you want to protect the carburetor and all the diaphragms in it. I'm going to get a funnel and quickly dump the rest back in. See, I don't have a fear of funnels. I just don't really use them that often. I have a paper filter in. There. Now, we'll just dump out the excess back into the container. And there you go. That's how you winterize your 2-stroke equipment and keep it protected for the winter. All right, guys. See you in the next one.